Tired of looking at flat spreadsheets? It's time to give your sales data a new dimension. I am Nabil Murad, and in this tutorial, I show you how to supercharge Excel data for some Canadian cities using the Copilot function. Watch how I transform raw numbers into a stunning Power BI map with just few clicks. The future of data analysis is here. Let's dive in. In this worksheet, I have some sales data for some Canadian cities. I have a customer ID column, a province, a city, sales in 100K, and customer importance. In preparation for plotting my sales data on a map, then I want to combine the province and city. So in cell F2, I type an equal sign, I click on the province, I type the joining operator of Excel, and then look at the formula suggestion of Copilot. It suggests to join it to a comma space and then to the city. I hit enter, and now I can copy this simple formula all the way down, double click and send it down. In cell G2, I want to prompt Copilot to look at column F and return the latitude and the longitude for each city. Then I type equal Copilot, and then in double quotation, I write my prompt. I want the latitude and longitude for each Canadian city in two separate columns. I close the double quotation, and then I select the range from F2 to F41. Copilot shows busy, it's working on it. I prepared my data in Excel. This file is saved to my OneDrive for Business and autosave is turned on. I'm going to close Excel and switch to Power BI. Here I am in Power BI. I want to bring that file. Then on the Home tab, I want to get data from Excel Workbook. I click on that. I select the file. I hit Open. The navigator window opens and it shows me the different sheets in the Excel file. I want the Power BI. I check the box for Power BI. Here is a preview of the data that we just explored in Excel with the two columns created in Copilot, the latitude and the longitude. I hit Load. I'm in the report view. I expand the data pane, and here is the Power BI data. I expand it by clicking on the right pointing arrow, and these are the different columns. I want to visualize my data on a map. Then I click on the map visual. I drag the latitude to the latitude drop area. I drag the longitude to the longitude drop area, and I get a map with the different sales. I can resize my map. All these are Canadian cities and each bubble represents the sale, but I want the size of the bubble to reflect the sales amount. Then I drag the sales to the bubble size. Now the bubbles are of different sizes. The bigger the bubble, the higher the sales. And to differentiate them by customer importance, then I drag the importance and I drop it to the legend. And now I have clear insights about my sales in all Canadian cities. If you found value in this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified when new tutorials are released. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you next time.